Tent & Table has a wonderful selection of fun slip and slides, including our 25-foot blue marble inflatable slip and slide. You can get your slip and slide set up in 5 easy steps. Step 1 is simply unroll the slide over a tarp. Step 2, zip up and close the Velcro flaps. Step 3, attach the blower and turn it on. Step 4, run your hose through the loops and connect it to the water bladder. And Step 5, stake your inflatable down and you're ready to go. You now have a fun-filled slip and slide that will give both kids and adults hours of fun.